In this video, we will learn how to remove blank pages in Microsoft Word. Blank pages can sometimes appear unexpectedly in Word documents, often due to extra paragraph markers or unintentional page breaks. Here's how you can easily remove these unwanted pages. Method 1. Manually delete blank pages. Click directly on the blank page. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Be cautious, as this method can accidentally remove important content if you're not careful, especially in longer documents. Method 2. Use paragraph marks. Navigate to the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the Show/Hide button, Pilcrow symbol. This will reveal hidden formatting symbols, such as paragraph marks and page breaks. Highlight the paragraph marks or page breaks causing the blank page. Press the Delete or backspace key to remove them. Method 3. Use the Navigation Pane. Navigate to the View tab. In the Show group, click on the Navigation Pane checkbox. Click on the Pages tab within the Navigation Pane. Scroll to find the blank page you wish to remove. Click on the blank page to select it. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. And there you have it. 3 straightforward ways to quickly remove blank pages from your Word documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.